Hi everyone, welcome to Exam Drill 360. SSC CGL exam has already started and I hope those of you who already appeared have done well in the exam. Today we will practice and revise another 25 questions from general awareness which will be helpful not just for CGL but also for CHSL and other exams. In this session we will go through some important questions from the complete general awareness section. So let's begin our mock right away. Question number 1. The Simon Commission 1927 was boycotted because of what? Correct answer is because it had no Indian member. Question number 2. The European red admiral butterfly Vanessa atalanta was recently spotted in which Indian state? Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Question number 3. Which Governor General introduced the doctrine of lakhs? Correct answer is Lord Dalhousie. Question number 4. The Indian Parliament consists of how many components? Correct answer is 3 components. Question number 5. The state of Nagaland was created in which year? Correct answer is 1963. Question number 6. Where was the statue of Bodo leader Bodofa Upendranath Brahma unveiled in May 2025? Correct answer is New Delhi. Question number 7. The Great Indian Desert is also known as what? Correct answer is Thar Desert. Question number 8. Who is regarded as the father of the Indian nuclear program? Correct answer is Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Question number 9. The national emergency under Article 352 can be declared on which ground? Correct answer is war, external aggression or armed rebellion. Question number 10. What is the main objective of India's Chandrayaan 4 mission as announced by ISRO Chief S. Somnath recently? Correct answer is bringing lunar rocks and soil samples. Question number 11. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Correct answer is Kosi river. Question number 12. The Dronacharya award is related to which field? Correct answer is sports coaching. Question number 13. Which state has joined Madhya Pradesh in forming India's first interstate cheetah conservation corridor? Correct answer is Rajasthan. Question number 14. Which organelle is called the powerhouse of the cell? Correct answer is mitochondria. Question number 15. The blue revolution in India is related to what? Correct answer is fisheries and aquaculture. Question number 16. The directive principles of state policy in the Indian Constitution are borrowed from which country? Correct answer is Ireland. Question number 17. The Kanha National Park is famous for which animal? Correct answer is Barasingha. Question number 18. The first woman president of the Indian National Congress was? Correct answer is Ani Besant. Question number 19. World Bicycle Day is celebrated annually on which day? Correct answer is June 3rd. Question number 20. Who was the first Indian to win an individual Olympics gold medal? Correct answer is Avinav Bindra. Question number 21. Which metal is extracted from bauxite ore? Correct answer is aluminium. Question number 22. The Montagu-Chelmsford reforms were introduced through which act? Correct answer is Government of India Act 1919. Question number 23. The river Brahmaputra enters India through which state? Correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 24. Laughing gas is chemically known as what? Correct answer is nitrous oxide. Question number 25. What is the maximum gap or interval between two sessions of parliament? Correct answer is 6 months. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Wishing you all the very best for your exams, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay connected with regular practice sessions for all competitive exams. Let's continue this journey of smart preparation together. Thank you once again for your support. See you in the next video.